so cute.
So awesome. Oh, hi, I'm Faye.
And I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly,
Read the house down!
Hi, pals.
Oh, we're so thrilled to be sharing today with all of you. How about you, Fluffy? How are you doing?
I'm really excited because tonight my friend is coming over and I'm gonna make Scottish shortbread just like my granny used to make.
Oh, I love Scottish shortbread. It reminds me of home. Did you happen to know that I am from Scotland?
My family's from Scotland too. Is anybody else's families from somewhere else?
I'm from Brazil.
Ooh. Yeah.
I am part Vietnamese and part Mexican. My mom is from China and my dad is from India.
And I think your family's from somewhere else.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Uganda. Amazing. How many of you are able to speak or understand another language? How do you say, hi, how are you?
Ni hao.
Oh, you're so good at saying that. Yeah.
Yoewa.
And what does that mean?
That means very good in Vietnamese. Yota is how you say grandma in Mohawk.
That's amazing. What are some of your favorite traditions that you know and do and celebrate at home?
We have Day of the Dead.
Ooh.
Can you tell us about the Day of the Dead?
We put up ofrendas for people who we've lost, and we cherish their memories in our hearts forever.
That's beautiful.
We put up their pictures and food and stuff they liked.
So the Day of the Dead is about honoring the spirits of people that you love that have died, right?
Yes.
I think what's common with a lot of traditions and celebrations that we have from our different cultures is about being together with people you love, eating, which is one of our favorite things to do, and celebrating and having a wonderful time, right?
Yeah!
So, can anyone tell us some of the foods that they love?
Tamales.
Oh, I love
Tamales.
tamales. What about you, Jackson?
Huevos rancheros.
Oh,
Huevos rancheros. What do you love?
It's two things. Bumbleway and pho.
I love pho.
I love when we have opportunities to learn about so many different cultures and their traditions, and I love hearing all the different languages that people speak.
And like I always say, the more understanding in the world,
The more fabulousness there is in the world.
What was that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah!
Canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones.
This is our friends Jorge and Yuri and their mariachi band. Hi.
can you tell us what mariachi music is?
Mariachi music is traditional music from Mexico. We share stories through the music.
Amazing. We love stories here.
Well, we would love it so much if you share a story with us by song later. Will you stick around?
Sure. Yes, sure.
Welcome. It's World Culture Day, and I have to find the perfect outfit to help me proudly represent my Scottish culture. Will you help me?
Yes!
Oh my gourd. Look at that pumpkin. It is so fun. But does it represent my Scottish heritage?
No!
You're right. Let's see another option. This kilt is made out of tartan cloth. These designs represent certain Scottish clans. This one represents mine. And now I just need the perfect accessory. Wow! This is a bagpipe, a traditional Scottish musical instrument. Does this match my outfit?
Yes!
Thank you for exploring my culture with me through fashion. Taste ye back!
Hi, I'm Emily and I'm 7 years old. I am Brazilian and Indian. And I like my two cultures. My favorite food in Brazil is brigadeiro. So good. It has this chocolate with chocolate sprinkles on it and butter chicken. That's my favorite Indian food. And it's so good. Bye.
Are we ready to sing our Settle Down song?
Yes!
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's story is The Boy in the Bindi, written by Vivek Shreya. Have you seen my Ami's dot? It's a bright and pretty spot.
Does anyone know anybody that wears a bindi?
Oh, yeah.
My grandma wears a bindi.
Cool. And have you ever worn one before?
Yeah.
Her dot comes in every hue. She likes red and sometimes blue. She peels and pastes it like a sticker, gently with her thumb and finger.
Above her nose is where it goes. What is this dot? I want to know.
Ami, why do you wear that dot? What's so special about that spot? It's not a dot, says my Ami. It's not a spot, it's a bindi.
What's a bindi? What does it do?
A bindi is a dot.
That's right. My bindi keeps me safe and true.
How does it do that, Ami? How? Well, when I stick it on my brow, my bindi tells me where I'm from. My bindi reminds me of my mum, and when she gave me my first one.
I look at her bindi with this view. I too would like to be safe and true. Ami, can I have a bindi to wear? Do you have one more to spare? She smiles and reaches in her drawer. Ta-da! She says, this one is yours.
She sticks it on my bare forehead, but in the mirror, I don't see red. What a surprise to discover, yellow is my bindi's color.
As soon as it's on, I feel so calm, like all the noise around is gone. But when I'm outside, people stare. Maybe they want a bindi to wear? Why do you suppose everyone is staring at him wearing the bindi? What do you think?
Because they haven't seen a bindi jewel before and they think he's different.
Possibly. My friends at school all want to know, what is that dot above your nose?
I do not have the words to say, but if I close my eyes and wait, my bindi turns into a star, and then my forehead turns into the sky, and that's when all my fears fade out of sight, and my body feels so light. Ami was so very right.
So now I leave it on my face. My bindi will always have its place. When I bathe or go to bed, my bindi stays on my forehead.
Not just because of the glue or because it keeps me true, but sometimes I've felt small like a dot and sometimes ugly like a blot.
He should be proud of his bindi. It's his culture.
But if a bindi can be more than a spot and bring beauty where there was not, maybe I can too.
Have you seen my yellow dot? It's a bindi, not a spot. Why do you wear a bindi, you say? Why is it so special anyway?
Well, my bindi is like my third eye, watching over me all the time, making sure I don't hide everything I am inside and everything that I can be.
Thank you, Ami, for my bindi.
The end! The Boy and the Bindi, written by Vivek Shreya.
So did you all enjoy the story we shared today?
Yeah!
Are you ready to have our band back for more music? Well, before we start, remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. Mexico, amigo mariachi.
Take it away!
¡Viva México! ¡Viva América!
¡Viva!
¡Oh suelo bendito de Dios! ¡Viva México!
¡Viva!
¡Viva América!
¡Viva!
Mi sangre por ti daré yo. Soy pura mexicana y nunca me he rajado. Si quieren informarse, la historia les dirá. Que México es valiente.